Welcome back to another video of going from 0 to 10K per month using only AI products. And you probably clicked on this title because I did the most clickbaity shit you will ever see and probably had the most coolest thumbnail ever. Anyways, most of you guys already know I got a spot on the beach. You can't see it out there. It's super dark in the Canary Islands, which are the Spanish islands, off of the coast of Africa for all you people that are probably from America and don't know that.
Loving on me makes me feel special. No, heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can't tell the truth. I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
So yeah, diving back into this. So I am going to show you guys what I'm going to go ahead and build today because I'm only, as you guys already know, a little bit about this challenge. So I have two rules inside of this challenge. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so rule number one, I have to go from 0 to 10K per month vibe coding and only using AI products because I don't know how to code. I can't even write a single line of code. I literally just learned that JavaScript was even a thing. Nah, just kidding. I already knew that. But second rule, I cannot stop recording until I hit 10K per month, and if I do stop recording, you are welcome to fly out to the world, wherever I am in the world, and slap me in the face, because I should be recording everything for you guys. Now, the whole reason I even started this challenge is because I want to go to Fiji, I want to surf, and I want to skydive every single day, and I want to make passive money without having to sell my time as a consultant. Nice. Now that we got that out of the way. Quick little recap on exactly what this product is. So as you guys can see, this is the most amazing web app that's actually going to cash out for $100 billion in the future. So what it really is just a copywriting tool for an industry that I do consulting in. So I help online businesses basically go ahead and scale using content and paid ads. And that's kind of what I do. So everything, I basically taken everything, all of my issues that I've ever had with all my clients. And I was like, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and put this into a software because I am the smartest thing in the world, and let me lock down in the Canary Islands for 3 weeks because I like to travel so much, so therefore I can actually go ahead and build this because I just got off of a little, not bender, but like travel bug where I was going from country to country every 4 days, and you really can't do anything. Yeah, so you guys, again, you're really not here to listen to me rant about my life. You're here to learn about this. So on today's agenda, some of the issues that I was having with, since, as you know, I'm going ahead and I'm building out this entire backend. Now, I ran into a lot of issues in the N8N side of things, and it is a pain in the ass. First biggest solution I did, Google Gemini. So their model. So one of the issues I was having is this entire node flow as of right here. It's a sales call summarizer. So every time a user goes ahead and enters in a sales call to refine their funnel or for context when it comes to creating copy, because that's what you should be doing when you are creating copy, is you should have the context of what your customers are saying to you. Let me fix this mic. I hate this mic now. I'm getting the new mic without all of these cords. Like I literally have so much shit over here, and I like half of my suitcase, because I basically live out of my suitcase because I travel from place to place. I know this is off topic, but like stay with me for 1 second. I literally have to carry around. I have like lights, computer stands, wireless keyboards. I have this giant ass mic stand and everything. It's like a pain in the ass. But anyway, I found this new mic. It's the Sheer or the Shure. I don't know. It's like their top of the line one without like having to carry around a whole box converter thing. So nice. Can't wait to get it. But back to the sales call. So whenever clients go ahead and drop in the sales call to get reviewed, the issue is sales calls are typically around like an hour, a little bit north of an hour, really depending on the call. And the issue and the constraint I was running into is because, like, you know, this is all amazing because I built it and, you know, I am the prophecy of N8N. Now, the issue that I was running into is these like agents right here. So my AI agent, so a client would go ahead, they would drop in the sales call. It would I would use this API. I don't even remember what it is, don't want to open it and give you my API keys, but yeah, we go ahead and actually get the transcript, and then it would just clean it using these nodes, and then I would I use a set node just to go ahead and update the status, so therefore it can update inside of Supabase, so therefore Supabase knew to show the results on the front end. And all I had to really do was just do status from processing to complete. And that's really, as you can see right here. And also I had to bring the sales call ID. But the constraint I was running into is I was using an OpenAI node for right here. But the issue was, and this is the prompt if you want to pause it and look at it. The information that I was feeding in, the transcript that I was feeding in this payload was way too big. and the tokens, I think it's called tokens, it was just way too many tokens, so it didn't work. So I had to switch over to Google Gemini chat model to go ahead and do this. And now, honestly, I don't really remember if it does work or doesn't work. So yeah, so I was thinking, like, as I was building this, I was like, again, I don't want to get stuck in this pattern of, you know, being amazing and trying to make the best product in the world. Because if I get stuck in that pattern and I'm just like, hey, how do I make this product the best thing in the world? I'm going to be stuck here building this thing, yeah, until I have white hair or some shit. And I want to make money today from this so I can go ahead and go to Fiji and skydive and surf every day, because that's what I want to do. So that's why I'm doing this. So I got to stop falling into the trap of, hey, I want to be a perfectionist and, you know, make sure everything's super good before I go in and launch it. So what I did is, and what I'm going to show you, and it's something I would suggest you do as well, just get up an MVP of something if you are building this and just push it out there and start getting feedback. Something I've been doing is, because I do consulting in this space, I try to get feedback from the ideal people that would go ahead and purchase something like this or use a tool like this. I always ask for live feedback and be like, hey, you know, side question, are you having any troubles with copywriting? Cool. Would you see something like this as being pretty useful for you? Because I'm trying to implement it in our program and consulting program as well. And then they give me live feedback and they're like, oh yeah, that's awesome. It's not awesome anyway. I had a conversation with someone yesterday and they were like, yeah, this is literally amazing. Like, how did you not already start this before? And I was like, yeah, that's the market validation I need. So anyway, that call went really, really good. It wasn't about the product, but you know, I normally sit on calls all day. But anyway, so back to what I was saying. What you guys should do is go and write everything down in a sheet on what you need to work on until you can launch. Because as you can see, I wrote in big letters, launch this thing with bugs, because I want to launch it with bugs so I can start doing things rather than building things and start taking more people's money so I can go to Fiji. See how it's an endless cycle right here? Pretty cool, huh? Crazy how things work like that. So right here, this is literally the last things I'm doing, and then I'm launching this product. I don't care if it doesn't even work. I'm going to start making YouTube videos, start running ads to it, and hopefully it works. I have no idea even how to price this thing. Do I price it for $10, $100, $50,000, and they get 2 clients for $100,000 a month? Nice. So right here, create prompts for section of copywriting. So VSL. So basically all that is like, hey, I'm going to finish doing this and I'm going to make my prompts good enough, which I've been doing right here, good enough. So therefore users get good outputs from their inputs. So when they're doing the analyzed or when they're uploading sales calls, when they're uploading YouTube videos for additional context, etc. When that is done for all of these, the video sales letter, ads, YouTube script, etc., 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 I am launching this thing. And then, yeah, that's it. I'm going to start making daily videos every single day on YouTube. It's not going to be on this channel because I'm just showing you guys how I'm building this. If you want to buy it, then cool, more power to you. You're just going to fund my skydives. But yeah, I'm going to set up a whole other channel, just being full guru on kind of all the information I know about copywriting. And then I'm going to sell this tool. And that's how I plan on selling it. You know, potentially looking at like discovery ads and stuff like that. So that should be pretty cool as well. Also, I just realized I feel like I've been shirtless in the past however many videos. Yeah, sorry. Not really sorry, though. PG friendly. So I'm going to show you a little bit about... Oh, shoulder hurts. I went surfing today, and the waves are pretty big in the backyard. And I met this Italian kid. We went out surfing. He broke his leash. Kind of funny. But, yeah, my shoulder's killing me today, so side story. But anyway, so this is the automation. So basically how this works is I connected right here, I connected a webhook URL. And I'm basically like, hey, webhook URL, whenever a user goes ahead and types inside of one of these chats, send that payload and all that information, as you can see it's not working, send all that information over to lovely handy dandy N8N. N8N then goes ahead and cleans all of the information just like this. And then right here, the content type, since it sends over the content type, I have it cleaned. So this is the router. And it's going to say, hey, if it's equal to video sales letter, you will go to video sales letter, and then et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that's how I'm splitting it up. And the reason that I'm doing this is because all of these VSL, like this is a VSL agent, they all need different prompts in order to be super good. Because you can't, like, you literally just, I mean, it's kind of simple. You can't have the same prompt write an email template as a VSL template, as an ads template, as a YouTube script as a short form script. It's all so different. So that's why I had it like this. So therefore we could route all the information to the correct agent. And then the correct agent will then go ahead and pull the information that it needs, the correct information. And then it's just going to feed it through here, the actual prompt. And then as you can see, it didn't come out good. But that's why I'm testing this a little bit. I'm going to get it working and get it as a MVP so I can launch this thing. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm using Claude because Claude is a lot better for when it comes to copywriting than ChatGPT. So yeah, I'm using Claude inside of here. And if you want to see the prompt, I still have to change it. But as you can see, I pulled in a lot of variables inside of here to be like, hey, you know, this is their business information. These are their sales call insights. These are additional marketing contacts, YouTube summaries, etc. And the way that I pulled that in is I went over to ChatGPT and basically said, hey, give me a prompt to do all this, because ChatGPT will literally help you with everything that you ever need, except copywriting, apparently. But now one of the other constraints that I think I'm running into is if people have multiple summaries coming from YouTube videos, which I do right here, as you can see, it only has one expression. So say a user comes in and, you know, they click this, they put in like 9 videos. So that's going to be 9 video summaries that have to be fed into this workflow. One, I'm thinking the context window is going to be too big. But 2, as of right now, it's only pulling back 1 video. So what I'm thinking, or maybe it's pulling back 4 videos, and that's what this is. Actually, I think this is 2 videos because it's just duplicates, and I don't know why it's working. But these are sales calls, so I don't know. I'm going to have to think about it. But I don't want to feed the LLMs so much context, because if you give it too much context, the results are going to be bad. Now, maybe this is something that'll be better for a developer, because I should focus on what I'm good at, which is selling things on the internet and marketing. And then once I get some sales, maybe, you know, if one of you guys are a developer and you guys think this is pretty cool, and maybe, you know, we could go ahead and do it together. If not, I'll just go ahead and hire someone. But yeah, that's one of the bottlenecks that I can see myself running into, and one of the constraints. And, you know, we'll probably, I don't know if I'll fix it. I'm just kind of yapping right now out loud. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to work on tonight. Now, I'm already tired. Realistically, I don't know how much I am going to do. This was more so just like an update video. Just kind of keep it super raw. But yeah, it's been cloudy as fuck. Hasn't been sunny here for the past week. And oh yeah, if you saw my last video, I went to those sand dunes. It was miserable. I walked in the wrong direction for hours. The second I got to the beach, every grandfather there was naked running around. It was fucking insane. Do not go. It's crazy. So I immediately left and went to a day club. All right, guys. So I'm going to keep working on these prompts. And then because it's already 11 p.m., I'm going to wake up and hit the gym tomorrow. I will, and I'll start on day whatever it is tomorrow. If you guys like these videos, go ahead and connect with me on Instagram. Shoot me over a message, especially if you're doing the same cool shit. Or if you just want to go ahead and travel and film business content. That's like what I'm super keen with. Real quick though, this video was pretty cool by Brett. I thought it was pretty cool. Go ahead and check it out. It's a lot of like the whole clipping shit. But aside from that, I want to show you guys, thank you guys for 215 views in 2 days. We're vibing out here because we're vibe coding to 10K and 150 views on the one yesterday. Now, my biggest constraint with this is I don't have enough pictures for thumbnails to get you guys to keep clicking on it. And that's my issue. And I have so many videos unlisted, so you guys can't see it. But I decided to put this one back up just because I thought it was pretty cool. And yeah, anyway, go ahead. Find me right here. I don't even know where you can find me. Just find my Instagram. It's my name, Tyler Sutley. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So, peace.